Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lecture number 18. In this lecture, we will discuss about spherical images. So first of all, what are spherical images? If alpha of s is a unit speed curve, then t such that AB to R3 gives a curve defined by s to t of s. If alpha of s, which is a unit speed curve, is given, then we can find tangent vector field, and we can consider tangent vector field as a curve whose domain is interval AB and whose images lies in R3. In fact, the images of T lies in a sphere whose center is origin and radius is 1, because magnitude of T of S is 1. Therefore, the images of T lies on the sphere of radius 1 whose center is origin. And this curve T, if we consider T as a curve, then this is called tangent spherical image of alpha. Similarly, we can find n of s and consider it as a curve whose domain is AB and whose images lies in R3. And in fact, magnitude of n of s and also b of s is equal to 1. Therefore, the images of n of s and b of s will lie on a sphere whose radius is 1 and center is origin. So T is called tangent spherical image of alpha, N is called normal spherical image of alpha, and B is called binormal spherical image of alpha. A curve whose interval, whose domain is AB interval and whose image lies in R3 is generally defined and written by T of S is equal to X of S, Y of S, Z of S. S belong to the domain of T. If T of S lies on a sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, then it should satisfy the equation of sphere, that is x of s square plus y of s square plus z of s square is equal to 1. This equation is the equation of sphere whose center is origin and radius is 1. And if T of s lies on this sphere, then it should satisfy the equation of sphere, that is x of s square plus y of s square plus z of s square is equal to 1. And since T of s is a tangent vector field, so magnitude of T of s is equal to 1. And if we magnitude of T of s is equal to 1, and this will be expressed in this way: x of s square plus y of s square plus z of s square is equal to 1. and which means that T of S lies on a sphere whose equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 with center 0 and radius 1. Example: let alpha of t is equal to cos t sin t. Find the tangent, normal and binormal spherical images of alpha of s. So we have to find T of s, N of s and B of s. T of s is the tangent spherical images of alpha, image of alpha, normal. N of s, normal spherical image of alpha. B of s, binormal spherical image of alpha. Solution: here our curve is not unit speed curve, because if we take the magnitude of d alpha by dt, then its magnitude is under root 2, that is not is equal to 1, and hence alpha of t is not a unit speed curve. We can obtain a unit speed curve beta by arc length reparameterization of alpha. So finding s in terms of t and t in terms of s, we obtain alpha composition g of s is equal to alpha of g of s is equal to alpha of g of s is equal to t is equal to s by under root 2, s by s under root 2 is equal to cos s by under root 2 sine s by under root 2 s by under root 2. Hence beta is equal to this one. This curve is a unit speed which is shown below, because magnitude of b dash s is 1. So b of s is a unit speed curve. Now we find t of s, also n of s and b of s from t of s cross n of s. And T of s, N of s and B of s are tangent, normal and binormal spherical images of alpha of s. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.